In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a negative keyword list for Google Ads. If you've been running Google Ads campaigns, you know how important it is to refine your targeting to get the best return on your investment. Negative keywords are a powerful tool in your Google Ads arsenal, helping you minimize unwanted clicks and ensure your ads are reaching the right audience. Here's a straightforward guide to getting your negative keyword list up and running. First, you need to head over to the overview section of your Google Ads account. This is your starting point where you'll get an overall picture of how your campaigns are performing. Here, you can see essential metrics and customize your dashboard for quick insights. Tailoring it to your needs can help you identify where changes need to be made, such as adjusting your keyword strategy. Once you're familiar with the overview, the next step is to click on the Audiences, Keywords and Content section. This area gives you access to the tools you need to refine and manage your ad targeting. By analyzing audience demographics and identifying high-performing keywords, you can ensure your ads are displayed to people most likely to convert. Moving on, select Search Keywords. This allows you to see the specific terms people are using to trigger your ads. Reviewing your search keywords can help you spot which terms are attracting the wrong audience. Keep an eye out for keywords that are too broad or irrelevant to your product or service, as they can be added to your negative keywords list. Next, click on Negative Search Keywords. This crucial step is where you define the terms you don't want to trigger your ads. Negative keywords prevent your ads from appearing for certain searches, saving you from paying for clicks that are unlikely to result in a sale or lead. Now it's time to add keywords to your negative list. Click on the plus icon to get started. This is where you'll enter the specific words and phrases you want to block. When entering your keywords, think about terms that might attract the wrong audience. For example, if you sell luxury watches, you might want to enter terms like cheap watches or affordable watches as negative keywords. This helps you target consumers who are looking for the premium products you offer, rather than those simply price shopping. After you've entered your keywords, the final step is to click Save. This ensures your efforts are not in vain and your list is activated immediately. Saving your negative keywords helps streamline your ad spend, improving your campaign's overall efficiency by focusing on the audience that truly matters. Remember, refining your negative keyword list is not a one-time task. Continually review and adjust your list based on the performance data from your Google Ads dashboard to ensure you maintain optimal ad performance. By doing so, you'll keep your campaigns focused and effective, gaining better returns on your marketing investments.